In this video, we will show you how to reset Epson RX595 printer using resetter or adjustment programs. Before you download this resetter or adjustment programs, we suggest you to disable for a while your antivirus, including Windows Real-Time Protection and the protection if you're using Windows 10 or Windows 11. After you disable for a while your antivirus, then you can download this resetter, the link on comments. After you download this resetter file, you can extract the file by right-clicking on the file and select Extract All, and click Extract button here. After that, you can open the resetter folder and run the adjustment program file. Please click Accept here. After that, you can click just particular adjustment mode button and choose washing pad counter and click OK. Tick main pad counter and the flatten pad counter options. After that, you can click check button. Then you can click initialization button. After the resetting is successfully, you can click finish and you can immediately turn off your printer. After that, you can turn back on your printer again. In any case you face error, you can try to moving your USB printer into another available port on your computers. And that's our tutorial how to reset Epson Stylus Photo RX595 printer using resetter or adjustment programs. If you have any question, you can fill in the forms comment below, and thanks for watching.